Well, guys, I just got back to the tracks and here goes a train. He's not deadly long. His engines are up there. If I would have been probably about 10 minutes earlier, I would have caught him. There's a lot more trains still left down there. Not too much more. He's not very long like some of the other manifest trains that you'll see. But there you go. We're gonna walk on down here. I don't think I'm gonna hope to catch more trains. I missed like 1 or 2 on the south end of the yard. Also, there's a southbound train sitting down way down the line. It hasn't moved. I haven't caught anything over here yet until now. Well, didn't catch the whole thing, but can't complain. At least I got it. Disappointing. Not to catch it. I stayed on the south end too long waiting for that train. I figured something probably would come from this way. If I wouldn't have stayed on the south end so long, I would have caught this one. Stayed on the south end too long. I knew it wouldn't be before long before one had came over here on the north side. Hopefully we get some more trains. I plan on doing a long day tomorrow. A long day. Very long day tomorrow. I plan on trying to get some night trains tomorrow. We'll see.